News. Drama in court today as court declined hearing lawyer's case for wearing Juju attire to court. I don't understand why the court will decline the hearing. I don't understand it. It was the Supreme Court that decided that people can be allowed to wear their, what's it called now, religious wear, okay, to school because of what has been going on in Kwara State. And so the Supreme Court of Nigeria says that they should allow the students to wear whatever they want to wear to school. Okay, and we know how that case went on and how Nigerian Senate sat down. If you don't want to go to another school, go to your religious school that says you can wear your hijab or whatever. You don't want to go. If you come to my school, obey the law. You say no, you want to follow your tradition. Okay, since the Supreme Court has ordered that is the way forward and that's the way things must go. This young man since has started and saying, you know what, the Supreme Court has ordered it, so there is no reason why I cannot wear what I want to wear, okay, to court. This is my tradition. It's like I can wear my traditional wear to school, so I'm wearing it to court, which is my profession, and it should not be a problem. So court today refused to, do the hearing. Let's get all the details. Drama as court declined hearing lawyer's case for wearing Juju attire to court. The lawyer appeared barefooted with cowries tied to his two legs. A court on Monday refused to hear the case of a human rights lawyer, Marco, after he appeared in court wearing a native doctor's attire. Justice Juju of the Federal High Court in Lagos asked him to defend in writing why he should be allowed to dress in court in the attire. The lawyer also appeared barefooted with cowries tied to his two legs. His wig had two long feathers with cowries in his two hands and tied a round cloth around his waist instead of the lawyer's gown that he's to wear. The human rights lawyer who appeared before Justice Rangia was greeted with resistance by some lawyers who disagreed with his appearance before the court in such dressing, arguing that he could not be heard as he was not properly dressed as a lawyer before the court. The lawyer who had on Thursday caused a stir at the Supreme Court in Abuja for appearing in court the same way said it would be a violation of his right if he was not heard, noting that the rules could not be above the nation's constitution. He said, "My lord, the rule cannot be superior to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria." Upon his argument, Justice Range, however, directed the lawyer to address the court on why he should be heard the way he was dressed in the next adjournment date. A suit declined. The suit number is there at the Federal High Court. The same happened in his second suit marked is there about the Nigerian Army and two others before the same court. The court ordered that the address must not be more than 5 pages with the authorities and must be full before the adjourned date. When his case was called, he announced his appearance with the application, and some lawyers, Abdurrahim Daris, Mohammed Adamu, and one Festus Afolayan, told the court that he should not be heard as he was not properly dressed and robed for court. Then I am a lawyer, my lord, can imagine the way my learned friend appeared before the court as a professional. The rule that governs us as lawyers do not allow inappropriate dressing. Adamu told the court that he would like him to formally dress properly before he can approach the court. So they want him to properly dress up. Now, some other people have said, we don't want children coming to our school to dress in such a way. We want them to dress in the conventional way. Supreme Court of Nigeria says no. they must wear hijab to school. Now you are faulting this lawyer. You know in Nigeria, this our Nigeria, the what is good for the goose is not good for the gangers. I mean, you can see lies display all over the country, from north to south, east to west, lies all over the place. You said that the students can wear hijab to school. Yes, this lawyer has come to court, and he has come dressed in his, they said they can dress their religious way. So he's dressing in his religious way. He's telling you now that he's a Juju priest and he's dressing in his religious way. Why and how is that a problem? Because when we were putting the law and we were beating the knot in court, in Supreme Court, and saying they can wear hijab to school, don't come to my school. If you want to come to my school, dress in the code of conduct that has been appropriated and accepted. Maybe that for government school. I don't believe it appears to private schools. Okay, because if it's for government schools, then okay, the government rules goes. But you cannot tell Peter, okay, it is white, then you tell Paul it is black, the same object. What are you portraying and what are you trying to display? So these are some of the abnormalities going on in Nigeria. And so this lawyer had to quickly, he followed cue from the Supreme Court. Supreme Court said they should allow them. And so he has dressed in the appropriate way that his religion gives him the prominence to do so. And now the same court does not want to hear him. I don't understand it too. I'm trying very hard to understand what's going on in Nigeria. Okay, it's good because those ones are, our Muslim brothers and sisters' kids. They can dress it to school, but the lawyer cannot dress it to court. Do you understand? Does it make sense? Does it? I believe the answer is no. Because when the National Assembly were sitting together and having that discussion, and what they should be discussing, instead of saying, if you don't want to go to, if they don't dress that way in that school, they've given you a code of conduct, you are not happy with it, please go to another school that you feel comfortable. They refused. And now, so this is what it is. You don't want the Muslim kids to be denied to wear what they want, but you want the lawyer to be, does it make sense? So we have to really find a balance here. Okay, we really have to find a balance here. It's not one size fits all. Okay, so if you want to do one size fits all, then let's make sure that it is one size fits all. There's no big deal about it. Everybody should be up to it. Leave us a comment. Bye for now.